All right, so it's getting to be February, close. So we've been doing kind of heart-themed tangles. So we start with gratitude, breathing in all the things we're grateful for. We exhale all the junk, the things we don't need. Now this is a flux flower. A very important part of the Zen Tangle method is to, once you learn a tangle, make it your own. So here I started with flux in the center, and then I just aura'd some sections of flux, not maybe a full flux. And then I just aura'd these curved lines inside of the flux. So what's great about the Zen Tangle method is it teaches you the basics of a tangle, and then the goal from there is to just put your own spin on it and make it so that it shows something about you. And during this time, we focus on not holding our breath, biting the inside of the cheek, clenching the jaw, those kinds of things that we tend to do with stress, holding the pen too tight or pushing the pen down too hard. And the more we pay attention to those things and, take care of them and change them, the tangle does turn out quite different. So in my lives, I allow the followers to decide what we do next and how we do it. And so they chose another flux flower, but this one we're actually seeing most of the flux petal. Now I did have to move the paper around quite a bit in order to get this to show up because I had been zoomed in too much. But it does show how we get this, which is just flux, 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 and we just keep adding a whole bunch of them. And then what we do once you get the size of the flux flower that you like, then you're going to add another flux in the center that you fill in, and then you're just going to aura around that. I did a tangle of this, I think about a year ago, that would be in my tangle tutorials that you can see another version of this. So you just keep going. And there's no right or wrong. So if you decide that you want to tangle inside of the auras, you can, or add something else, you can. It's completely up to you. There's so many things that you can do with this. And once we got done with this one, everyone had decided on a senna flower. I like to do things in threes, kind of like decorating. My mom always told me things needed to be decorated in twos. So I kind of follow that with tangling as well. I am using a Micron 01 as the pen for this, for those who would ask. And on my Amazon affiliate, I do have a Tangle Supplies I Use list. So if you go there. Now the center of this is just, I call them messy orbs. And then these are the petals for the senna. Now I continued this tangle live on YouTube. So if you click on my bio outside the lines, go under my P.O. box to the link tree, click on that, click on the one that says YouTube, it'll take you to YouTube, and the full video of finishing this, including shading, is on YouTube. And I just wanted to see how it was like somewhere else. So if you want to see the whole video, including shading and how we shaded it, please check that out on YouTube. And any tangle supplies that you're looking for, just go to the Amazon affiliate I have, and that includes tortillons to pens to everything that I could think of that you could use for tangling. So again, just set aside the time. This is about self-care. It's about you taking care of you. Make a cup of tea, coffee, water, and enjoy yourself. Have fun. I'm live at 7 Central.